In this video I just want to show you these headphones that I've bought recently. The first one I bought was this bigger box, and it is the model C750 headset by Vankyo. I think that's how it's pronounced. And the second model I bought sounds very similar, C751 this time. So what's the difference? Well, what I can determine first of all is I paid the same price. They were on special offer, £35 approximately. This model is better. So let's unbox them and just show visually what you get in the boxes. You can see the difference in the size of the box that carries the headphones. So let me take the first one out, this bigger one, and show you what's inside it. And I'll just take that one out of the box and we'll just compare them. So with this one, let's have a look. If I open it up, this is the model 750. Inside it comes with a very nice soft velvety, very smooth bag for carrying it as well. And then we've got the charging cable, and we've got, if you don't want to use it portably in terms of wirelessly, you can wire it up to listen to your, say your iPhone or something, plug that end into your iPhone and plug this end into your headphone socket. So, and then we've got obviously all the stuff, where I bought it from, noise cancelling headphones, headset they're calling it, Vankyo. So now next we'll take these out and show you what they look like. But in here, obviously the bag that these came in, little net area we can store things in, so we can pop those back in there like this for when we need them next time. So in here, let's pop this bag back in there as well. Could put them in the bag, I suppose. So in here, what have we got? The headset. I've taken them out obviously to have a look at, and I've used them. So if there's a little bit of dust on them, that's why. They're very lightweight. These heads swivel like this, 180 degrees, both of them. And you've got right and left. I don't suppose it makes any difference. Now the controls are on the right hand side one here. Now on this particular one, if I just look up close, we've got, so if you've got them on your head like this, the controls are here. If you, and at the front you've got the active noise cancellation button there. So charging them up, you plug in that one. To listen through the wire I showed you, you plug it in there through the adapter, and then you've got volume controls either side there, and you've got the power on button, so you press and hold that for it to come on, and a little light shines there. There, look, when it's switched on. You have to hold it to put it on, and it actually says power switched on. And then you've got to connect it to your Bluetooth. If you go to your device like your phone and look for it, you can pair it with this, which is brilliant once you've done that. And so you can just listen to your music, and you can increase and decrease the volume on this one, and that's it. You can't skip your track. Now that's the difference with the next one, the next model. And you can switch the active noise cancellation on or off. I was very impressed with that. I stopped my music, listened to the ambient sound outside. We have a noisy factory here, and I switched it on, and it blanked out that noise entirely, which is brilliant. Now I could still hear the traffic going past, and I could still hear the dog barking, and you can hear somebody who talks loud, but generally it's the lower frequency ambient sounds it cuts out, which for us it's brilliant. Now if you listen to it on its own, in your house, say, you switch it off and then switch it back on, you can hear like a little noise. It's like raindrops, tiny raindrops, thousands of them. So I can hear, it's like a hiss really, but it doesn't trouble me. It's not too bad. And now this is the cheaper model. Well, not much cheaper. I got it, I think it's £1 cheaper. But this is the model 750. So I'm going to put them there. And we'll have a look at the next one. A much smaller case. Folded like that. So I'll show you inside here initially. So basically it's simple. You've got the charging cable and you've got the wireless. If you want to, sorry, the wired. If you want to listen through wire. Just open that, make sure. Okay, it comes with this as well. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it's for if two people want to listen in. Anyway, I'm not sure what that is, sorry. And then there for the wired listening, and then you're charging. USB plug. And then you've got this. Oh, now this is it's not USB. This is it's a different charging cable, like you would get for a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I think it's called a C, USB-C. So anyway, let's pop them down. We've got the instruction manual. Worth going through. And then I think it's probably just a thank you card or a guarantee card or something. Yep, support. So if we pop all those back in there for now, and we'll take a look at the headphones. Nice and tightly put in. Now see where they're folded, note the hinges there. Now, if I put these, mind you don't nip your fingers as well as you open them up. So if I close them up to the smallest, they will, oh they do bend, I beg your pardon. I thought you had to pull them out to bend them, but they obviously do bend even on the short amount. Anyway, let's just get on with the most important. On this particular model, 751 model, you have got Bluetooth button, so you can pair it. And you've got the active noise cancellation button there. You've got volume up and down, but it's also track. Skip to the next track or go back one track. Now, if you're listening to music, that's brilliant. And then we've got the power on off button. If you want to listen through cable. And then we've got microphone. I think it's a microphone. And then we've got the charging port on the other side there. Now you can wear this either way, left or right. But as I'm right-handed, I'd wear them like that. So you've nothing at the front this time, it's all on the back. So there we go, it's a very nice soft material, very soft ear. Quite lightweight as well. Adjustable to increments. Show you inside. Very soft. So there we have it. Vankyo. Close them back up. Curvature at the top. Close it back up. Bingo, we're done. So that is just unboxing and comparison between this model, which is the 750, this with a bigger case, which is very nice. They're both very nice, I must say. Same manufacturer, 750, 751. You can skip the tracks on your music on this one. That's probably the only difference between the two, I think. As I say, I paid about £35 something for that, and £34 for that. Brilliant. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Cheers. Catch you later.